Miss Niue Aotearoa pageant will be holding their competition tomorrow night in New Zealand. The winner of this year's Miss Niue Aotearoa will travel to Niue for the island's Miss Niue competition in August. Radio Sunshine will cross live to Auckland tomorrow night for a live update of the competition starting at 7 p.m. until midnight. And those are our news stories for tonight. We do hope that you have an enjoyable weekend. And don't forget to go on down to the Millennium Hall tomorrow to join in the World Tobacco Free Day celebrations from 9 to 12. Vihina edo vala tatu tupu ne kwa maiki ke mo mai galata me fefne amana ki foki ni ke manuina e uki wahatap ni hanga utkei wani mo foki ke ua tu ki he tau alwan fai malolo seno ka whakahokwa ke Millennium Hall ke lata mo aho nake ulatapaka ka mate mtahola hiva. Nonofua mulinipo ato lili watatulu ke Ferivea.